Hi guys, just wanted to come in here and show you how to actually scrub your instruments and package them for autoclaving. These are a suture kit that we create here in podiatry. Your surgical scissors and your pickup, so when we remove any sutures. This is your satilicide, which you use to mix with some water. I think that's how you pronounce it, something like that. Put the names right there. You can mix this with your water into the boat. Then you're going to take that instruments, they've already been soaking on there. You're going to scrub them. You're going to scrub all the ridges on the way that it goes. So you'll take your brush and you scrub all your ridges, all of it. These have already been scrubbed down. You're going to scrub your scissors as well. You're going to scrub all in between the box, the ridges, the sharp, all of that. Your handle, the bottom part of it, you're going to make sure that all of it's completely scrubbed down, right? You can take and dry them completely, because this is only disinfecting them. Now we need to sterilize them, okay? So once we get them completely dry, you have an autoclave bag that you can autoclave them. This is the autoclave bag that we use for McKesson. There's other bags that you can use, like Medline has their own. Open up your device completely, your whichever instrument that you're using. In this case, we have a surgical scissors, sharp surgical scissors. Put them into your package, opened up like that. And then you have your pickups. You put them into your package like this. On here, you're gonna see how it has a little sticky part. You're gonna pull that off. You're gonna close it completely. Right on here, you would label it. It's very important that you put your initials, the date, and whatever the instruments are. In this case, we would write suture kit, and then my initials and my date. Then we would place this into the autoclave. All right, don't place any wet instruments on here. Make sure that they're completely scrubbed and that there's no tissues, any of that. Next step is to place them into the autoclave. Bye.